So when think about engineering, I know a lot of times teachers will think, gee, I didn't study engineering, I don't necessarily know much of anything about engineering. How could I possibly do something in my classroom that contributes to a student's preparation to go into the engineering field? And what I think about is going back to what I was told many years ago when I was coming out of high school. And I think while in some ways what I was told is right and true, I also think what I was told is off target. And that is, if you're good in math and you're good in science, you should go and study engineering. And while math and science are critical elements in so much of engineering, there's a tremendous amount of engineering that's outside the math and science realm. And what I think other teachers need to appreciate is there's a lot that can be done in an educational classroom setting that doesn't involve calculus-based physics, that doesn't involve calculus, vector calculus, differential equations. The example that I like to give is thinking back into middle school, a course in government and world affairs. You pick some situation around the world today. Take a look at what's happening in the Middle East in recent months and recent years. That's a challenge or a problem. So start a government and world affairs, a social studies class, and look at that problem space. Have students research that. Then have the students propose a set of solutions maybe to a conflict in one of those countries. And then have them work together as a team and pick one of the solutions to move forward, to try to create a better situation in that. As you, a teacher, not in math, not in science, lead your students through that process, you're teaching the methodical method of problem solving, the engineering method of design, and you've never once used geometry, trigonometry, much less calculus or physics to do it. Nonetheless, you've imparted knowledge, a preparation for engineering with your students. And so, sure, to be an engineer that designs the latest smartphone or something, yeah, there's math and science in that. But engineering is so much more, and I think as teachers, we all need to appreciate that there's a lot we can do outside of those technical aspects to prepare students for success in that area of engineering.